Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. So today's video topic is how to fix all kind of boot errors on Windows 11. So as you can see, the error which I'm facing right now, automatic repair, or you can also face a error called startup repair could not repair your PC. In this video, I will show you how to fix all kind of startup errors. So let's start. First, click on advanced option. Then click on troubleshoot. After that, click on advanced option. Now the first step you can try to fix this issue, click on this startup repair. So this option will repair all the startup files. Click on this option. This option will diagnose your PC and try to fix or repair all kind of startup files. If this method unable to fix your error, startup repair could not repair your PC. Now move on to our next method. Click on this advanced option again. Then click on troubleshoot. Click on advanced option. Now click on this option, command prompt. Now you have to type a few commands to repair all the Windows corrupted files to fix this issue. So the first command will be chk dsk, press enter. Now type the next command, bootrack space / fix mbr. So this command will fix the mbr file. Press enter. Complete it successfully. Now type the next command, bootsect space / nt60 space sys. Press enter. Successfully completed. Now type the next command, bootrack space / fix boot. Press enter. Now type the next command, bootrack space / rebuild bcd. Press enter. Now wait for few seconds. Now type A for all, then press enter. That's it. Now type the final command, sfc space / scan now. Press enter. This process will take around 3 to 4 minutes to complete. As you can see, verification process has been started. Process completed. Now cut this window. Now click on continue and this will fix your issue.